Are you on testosterone replacement therapy and searching for a good resistance training workout plan? Continue watching. My name is Dr. Steven Devos, also known as the lifting dermatologist. I'm almost 49 and I've been working out since I was 16. That's 33 years. I've tried every workout program, exercise technique, and rep and set variation imaginable. Also, I am on TRT since 2017 and have been running this channel since 2018. I have spoken to countless international hormone optimization experts and I have come to the conclusion that working out, or at least some form of resistance training, is necessary in the pursuit of optimal health and quality of life. That is why I have developed a complete TRT workout plan to help out those who are just starting out or starting again. This fast-track workout plan will help you drastically improve your physique and fitness levels even over 40. And the exogenous testosterone will help you with motivation, drive and recovery. My TRT workout program can be shopped from this video. Click the shopping button on the bottom of the video to get started. Use this promo code to get 25% off. If interested, also take a look at the other workout programs in the merchandise shop.